Hi. Hey guys. Welcome to Juma's farm, pig farm. And if you guys remember, I think the last time I showed you our pigs, our little piglets, I think it's when they were being born. Guess what? I think it's a month or so later. And look at how grown they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, by the way, right now they are 8. You know what happened? One of them, I think there were 9. So one of them, the mother, since the mother was a little bit heavy, the mother, slept on one of them, and one of them died. So when we add to the other 6 that died earlier on, plus that one, now 7 gone. But here we have 8. As you can see, they're very healthy. And this, I think, weaning should begin. They've been breastfeeding, so they have distanced them from the mother. The mother is on the other side, so these ones are ready to be on their own. So I think we're just gonna go ahead and give them starters so that they can start eating. All right, look at how cute they are. Yeah, so again, if you're here and you're interested in buying, please send your DMs. We would love to sell them to you guys. It's about to rain, and that's why you see, some thunderstorms. And guys, if you remember from the other 7, we sold, were they 7? Yeah, we sold 4, and these 3 are the ones remaining. But these are male. I think my brother didn't want to sell the males, so we have kept the males here. All the women, all the female are gone. All the female are gone. Somebody told me my terminologies. I should check on my terminologies. So what I'm saying, guys, is all the female are gone, so we're just remaining with the boas, So we need to take care of them, feed them nicely, feed them properly so that they can start, look at that climbing on the other one. Kwani are they on hit? Anyway, that is the story behind these 3 remaining. The other 4 are gone. These 3 are remaining. And now we have these ones. These are 8. I don't know how many male are here or how many female are here. But yeah, the journey has already started. And guys, by the way, they already know how to circle on the water. They love each other like so. They've breastfed for I think a month now or so, and they're good to go to be given starters. All right, so yeah, let's see where look at them. Oh, feeling so good. I think it's the first time this is the first day they've been transferred here. And let's go check on the mother and see how the mother is doing. If you remember, guys, I gave the mother the name Moana, not Moana, Hannah. Moana is the mother to these ones. Let me pass. Get out. Go back, move. Guys, I think they're fighting one another. So guys, here's the mother, Hannah. Hey. Hannah, let me see you. So guys, this is what is happening. As you can see, these 2, this one is the mother of the other ones. It has been brought here. and I'm scared it might eat my legs. It is new here. We have transferred it from the other house where we've put all the piglets, and it has joined this family. The other one has been here and is expectant, as you can see, and I don't know why it's fighting this one. This one is running up and down. So guys, this is Hannah, the mother to the other younger piglets. Look how emaciated she is. Yo, this pig was so big, so huge. What is happening? Lack of food or what, guys? Oh my god. Hi there, catching you up with the vlog. This is the next day, somewhere around 8 a.m. We woke up so early despite it being chilly because of late it's been raining every other single day. So guys, today we had a few things to do, and one of it was to give this pig area some disinfecting. So we are using something called biometric disinfecting. That is what we are doing. Anyway, I'm new to this thing, so I'm just here learning and giving my baby brother company as he do this, and I'm here to learn much. I think in one of my videos I revealed out that I would want to be a pig farmer someday. So I want to learn everything a pig farm needs to do, everything a pig farm needs to be done to. So that's why whenever anything new is happening to the pig farm, I'm going to be there, record, so that when I start my own pig farm, I'm just able to go back and look at things and be like, oh, we need to do this, we need to do that. And yeah, guys, I'm invested. All right, I'm really invested. Anyway, guys, this is what we're here doing, nothing much. And I think from here we just went ahead and gave them their food, their first food of the day, their first meal of the day. Usually is around 7:30, 8, depends on how early we've woken up. Normally it's our shamba boy who does this, but today is on Sunday because it's on 17th of November, and it is his day off. So on this day the family members usually just takes everything over. And I was like, you know what, let me accompany my baby brother and get to vlog for you guys. I know you love pig videos. I love also doing pig videos for you, but of late time has not been on my side, and I'm just overwhelmed because very soon I'm starting my 9 to 5. I just don't know how well I'll be able to manage YouTube and that job, but I grace myself, you know, nothing that I can't handle. So I'll try my best and make sure that I balance going to work 9 to 5 and also vlogging, because I love vlogging, guys. Because with vlogging, actually you're creating memories. One day you look back and you're like, oh, this day I was with this person, I was with this place, I was in this place, I was eating this type of food, I recorded. Like, it makes you feel so good. You can imagine when I keep this YouTube channel and I'm 60 years old, I'm 90 years old, I can always look back and see the 20-year-old me, the 30-year-old me. That is really great, and that's why I'm so invested doing vlogs. It's something that I love doing for fun, even if it's not paying right now, but I know one day it will. Generally, I'm just a content creator. I think I was born for this. Hii imewatosha? Ah. Takupitishia ndo. Is our chana. Na sasa Orambo wa concentrate reka tano Muhammad. Kada sa pumzika. Una anakanyaga ndani tena. Hi guys, so catching you up with the vlog, let me give you the story behind Hannah. The story behind this baby girl. As you all know, there is a video I already did when she was giving birth, and guys, I can assure you, she went through a very traumatizing labor, I can say. And therefore, after giving birth, she never did well. Even she had no milk. We really struggled to, make the other piglets grow up. She was a big woman, but with no milk, no appetite, and especially after she had furrowed her babies, things were not the same. She started getting weak, being sick every single day. The vet came, tried to give all the medication they could, and it has been chaos. But as I can see right now, she is doing well. Her body is coming back, and that's why we've even taken the piglets to the other side, so that she can remain alone and eat enough to regain back her body. This is a big woman, guys. If you saw the previous pictures, you can't even believe it. But guess what? I think let us give it a little bit of focus, feed her very well, and see what will finally come out of her. This is a good mother, a good woman. So yeah guys, as you can see, her food, we've given her a lot of the fish fillet. daga, little daga or chonga in our local language, so that she can feed on that. And as you can see, she has appetite. She is eating non-stop. And I know from here she's just gonna go and drink some water, and then later on we will come with some multivitamins, and then later during lunchtime again we give her another food, then another one in the evening. So let's do this for like another 1 month and see if her body is going to regain. So that is her story, guys. Hell no, what on earth is this? Mnafanya nini kwa mayai moja, guys? Look at this. You guys remember me making these things for laying eggs? These two ladies, I don't have an idea of what they're doing on the same laying station. We have the other one on the other side, but they've just chosen, you know what, we are gonna be here. Ebu, wake up. Get out. You also need to get out. Stupid. There is no sleeping on eggs. Go out. Or go out. Hello there, guys. I'm with Okada Man and I'm headed somewhere, and this Okada Man was giving me a lot of stories. I was like, yes. Anyway, right now I'm a woman of a lot of projects, so I had gone to see if I can start one very soon. But before I tell you about it, guys, let's enjoy the view of this place. Like, imto inaitwa oh, Rivasio. Sawa. Hey guys, look at Rivasio. It's that big, and look at how beautiful this place is. And while standing here, I think can be able to see Busia sugar factory. It's right over there. This is just close to our home. But I'm here, but I'm so scared because look at where I am standing and look at the water. Oh my god, I'm tripping. I am tripping. So yeah, this is how it looks. So beautiful. Me being a geographer, I am excited. So that is how it looks. So guys, here is a little snippet of what I am up to, what I'm planning to do for you very soon. It's actually something to do with rotational vlogging. So before I talk too much, just enjoy this little snippet and be sure to be right back so that you can watch, alright? So why do you choose to have others on boas and others nini inseminated? Okay. So you have already identified.